Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, have you all solved the questions which I have given to you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many have you done that? How many have you done that? Guys, I'm asking you only. Are you here? How many have you solved? I'm asking.
Sir, I did, sir.
Very good. What about others? Abhinaya, have you solved or not? Hello? Hello, Abhinaya, are you here? Abhinaya, are you here or not? Can't you hear me? Solve this question. This question has been asked in 2002. A Make it fast. Don't tell me individual answers. Tell me at a time. Within 3 minutes.
Sir, done.
What's the answer? Both the questions have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about others? What about others? Guys, are you here or not? Tanish, what about you? Disha, Ritvik, Johan. See, he has given A and B here. Both are 2002 questions, previous year JEE question. Okay. Yeah, in fact, you will not get into this type of questions nowadays.
Sir,
Yes,
both will have same answer, right?
both questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll see. Yes, you are right. So now here, angle between them is how much? How much given? 5/6. So इसको मैंने कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? Can I write like this? A dot B can be written as cos theta, cos 5/6. Or this answer is how much? 2 cos 5 by cos 30 how much? Root 3/2. 2 will get the answer. So I'll get what? A dot B 4 root 3. ठीक है? So what I need to find out here? A cross B whole square I need to find out. How can I just find out this? How can I find out, people? Hello, are you guys here? How can I find this?
A square B square to minus
I didn't get you.
A square B square form we can write
Talk loudly. Can you please talk loudly?
it. A square B square form we can write it.
A square B square form. What A square B square form? Huh? A cross B का whole square कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? Guys, I need to find out the value of A square. How did you write that? Daria, I mean, what is your name? Adyasha.
Sir, I wrote A cross B, that formula, magnitude of A into magnitude of B, sine theta.
Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine theta. So what did you get from this? 4, 2, 1/2. So A cross B whole square is equal to how much you get?
4. 4 is there.
Basically, we know this, right? A cross B is equal to nothing but this one. So A cross B is equal to 4. We need A cross B whole square. 16. Answer is very simple. Next question. How many have you done this? How can I solve this? We can use a property. Basically, same answer, guys. Same answer. Already we have solved this type of box question. Cross product. This also gives you 16 answer. This is a homework to every one of you. This is a homework to every one of you. All right.
Yes, sir.
Next question. If magnitude of A 5, magnitude of B 4, magnitude of C given that 3, what is the value of then A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A? Sorry, is given that is equal to 0. Okay, this is 0 given, then we need to find out this. How can I find out? Very simple. Very simple, guys. This is also homework. We have solved already this type of questions. You must take this also 2000 JEE question. Option A 25, option B 30, option C Option C minus 25. Option D minus 50. Homework question. ठीक है?
Sir, once can you go to first question?
Tell me, any doubts?
No, sir.
Look, yeah, but there is no point of taking A dot B here. Even without taking this also, straight away you can solve it here. Next question. People are joining now and asking me to add. Pravalika, are you here, Pravalika?
Yes.
Pravalika, why are you late? Pravalika, are you here or not?
Yes, sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, I didn't see the message.
You didn't see the message. Every day you will be having a class at either at 6 o'clock or 7:15, right?
Sir,
Hmm.
first it. No, sir, first you told that.
Huh?
Sir, first you told. Sir,
First I
no,
told-
sir. I didn't see the
What I
message.
told.
Sir, you told it 6:30, right?
6:30. Message చూడువాగా ఒకసారి. Look at the message.
Sir, I didn't see the message. No, sir, 6 to 7. I didn't see that message.
Okay, everyone solve this question. Please be on time. Everyone. Solve this question. Come on. Third one. So fourth one. Very, very simple question. Very simple question is very simple question. What is the answer? You cannot take this much time to solve a simple question. Come on, people. A value given, B vector given, 2 vectors, C is a vector such that this given. Then he's asking for A vector. No, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C. What is A cross B here? Hello. Without telling that also you can give the answer. Look at this here. First, you can delete the options. Magnitude of A gives you square root of 34, 9 plus 25, and magnitude of B gives you 36 plus 9, how much? 39. So this got deleted, square root of either this and this could be the option. Option A or option B could be the, either option A or B could be your answer. Option C and D got deleted here. Huh. Tell me. Sorry. Tell me the answer. Come on. You can't take this much time. C is equal to A cross B given. But first you find out A cross B. A cross B. How can you find out A cross B? How can you find out A cross B? A cross B is nothing but what? Hello? How can I find out A cross B? A cross B etla find out chestanu nenu. Hello? Option second is the right answer. Yes, Johan, you are right. How? Option second is the correct option. How did you solve, Johan? A cross B is what? Tell me here. A cross B, what you got?
39
39K.
K, sir.
Very good. 39K cap. All right. This is J2 question. So 39K is nothing but what? This is equal to C, right? So I know that now magnitude of A is what? Magnitude of A given, magnitude of A is square root of 34, magnitude of B is square root of 45, magnitude of C, magnitude of C is what?
39
Sorry? Magnitude of C is what?
39, sir.
Yes. Magnitude of C is what? 39. What is C? Look at it here. How do you find out A cross B here? How do you find out A cross B?
By matrix method.
By determinant, not matrix.
Yeah. Yes.
I, J, K, 3 minus 5, 0, 6, 3, 0. I, so 0 here, minus J, 0, plus K. So 9 plus 30. So 39K you will get it. This is equal to C vector. All right. So, but but you know, C vector I got the magnitude of C. What is that? Magnitude of C is what? Magnitude of C is what? Are you guys here or not? Magnitude of C is what I'm asking. Magnitude of C, how do you find out? Are you guys here? Disha, tell me, Disha, how do you find out magnitude of C here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is magnitude of C?
Sir, AB sin theta.
No, ma, look at this here. What I'm trying to ask here. Magnitude of A is what? How do you find out magnitude of A? We'll find out 3 square, coefficient of I, like this, right? K square we don't have, so 0. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9 plus 25, how much? 34. So what is magnitude of B? 36 plus 9, which is nothing but what? 45. Now similarly, magnitude of C is what? Johan?
Root of 39 whole square.
Root of 39 whole square. How many of you are saying B option and how many of you say A option and B option here? How many of you say A option? How many of you say B option here?
Sir,
must-
A option.
And how many of you say B option?
Second
Sorry?
option, sir.
I need a response from everyone. Let's see. What do you say, Dhairya? Dhairya, are you here?
So not sure about.
No, did you solve?
नॉट सर मैंने बीच में ज्वाइन किया.
Sorry?
बीच में ज्वाइन किया मैंने.
In between you joined. No, I'm asking, look at the easy question. Whenever you join, you can tell me the answer easily here. What is the answer of this question? Option B is correct, beta, here. You understood or not, beta?
Yes sir.
Hello, here 39 square क्या होता है? Many Disha, how do you say it is a? How do you say that it is like 39 mark root 39? Look at here root 39 का whole square. तो ये दो कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 39 तो मिलेगा तो ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा. Clear? You understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Very simple question. You cannot take this much time to solve this simple question. Next, let A be 2004 question. This is J 2004 non-zero vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to 1 by 3 B C magnitude of A. So if theta is the acute angle between the vectors, C, then sine theta is equal to what? Make it fast. Make it fast. What is the answer? Guys, these questions you must solve it actually. Why? Because these are JE questions, you must try. What is the answer? Adesha, did you solve this? 2004 JE. A cross B. Come on, how can I solve this? I just look at, can I write dot, look at A dot C and B minus B dot C and A vector. I can write like this. How many of you wrote this step here? How many of you wrote this step? How many of you wrote this? Look at it here. A dot C times of B. I can shift this one to the right hand side. What it becomes? 1 by 3 times of magnitude of C, magnitude of B, and magnitude of A plus what do you write? B dot C. All right, A. So now here also A common. So why this is A only. So here also both the vectors, because here and here have A. Okay. So now can I take A common? Can I write like this A vector? Now look at this. After this you must solve it. I just gave hint. You must solve this. What is the answer, people? Hello, very simple here. What happened, people? Arey yaar, this question, how long will you solve? Tell me, guys. Dhairya, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. This is going to be 0. A dot C का मतलब क्या होता है? 0, isn't it? So now what is this is going to be now? Hello. This also will become 0, right? देखो बेटा, वो 0 हो गया तो देखो 1/3 magnitude of B magnitude of C plus B dot C. अगर ये 0 होगा तो if I shift A to the this side, what happens? I'm shifting A to the right hand side. क्या होगा? देखो ये है ना इधर. You understanding my point? This entire thing becomes 0. I'm shifting this A. 0 by this A क्या होगा? 0 तो होगा. Isn't it my point? Look at this now. Vector C plus B dot C. If I shift this A to the right hand side, it becomes 0. तो अभी क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Magnitude of B, magnitude of C. All right. Plus, so 1/3 as it is. B dot C मतलब B dot C formula can, what is the B dot C formula? Magnitude of B, magnitude of C, cos theta is equal to 0. B dot C देखो common मैंने ले लिया. I mean magnitude of B, magnitude of C I took common. So 1/3 plus cos theta is equal to 0. All right. So what would I get here now? What would I get? So 1/3. I'm shifting this fully to the right hand side. क्या होगा? 1/3 times of 1/3 plus cos theta is equal to 0. So 0 by magnitude of B, magnitude of C 0 हो जाएगा. तो cos theta is what now here? Minus 1/3. So अगर cos theta 1/3 होगा तो sin theta क्या होगा? Sin theta is what? Tell me. What is sin theta? Now find it out. I'm writing the next question. The vector A alpha I 2j plus beta k lies in the plane. This is 2008 JEE question. The plane of the vectors. Plane of the vectors. And bisects angle between B and C given here. B and C then which one of the following gives possible values of alpha and beta? Option A, alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 2. Option B, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2. Option C, alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 1. Option D, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1. What is the answer of the above question? What is the sin theta? Hello? Hello, what is the sin theta? What is sin theta is going to be? व्हाट इज sin थीटा? देखो ऑप्शन से डिसाइड कर देंगे, ऑप्शन देखकर, नो ऑप्शन. लेट मी गिव द ऑप्शंस. ऑप्शन ए 2, ऑप्शन बी 2/3, ऑप्शन सी 2√2/3, ऑप्शन डी none.
2√2/3, sir.
2 root, how did you solve?
I took it in the first identity, sir. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Simple. That is also correct. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 2√2/3. Very simple. If you substitute in an identity, you know cos value, and for avoiding that minus, you have to use that identity. That is going to be correct. Simple. Next, solve this question. Come on, guys. I'm going to give exactly 2 minutes, not more than that. And I'll be sharing Victor's worksheet today, JE questions. Time up. Time up. Anyone of you got the answer? Anyone of you got the answer, guys? A vector lies in a plane of the vector the vector A lies in the plane of the vector B and C and bisects the angle between B and C. ठीक है, A vector lies in the plane which B and C lies and bisects the angle between B and C. All right, then which of the following is what are the possible values of alpha and beta here? So guys, I told you already, this is a very, very important question. This type of questions are very important. This is JEE question. I told you beta, A vector, it lies in what? Which vector lies in B and C? This is what I told you. This is what the shortcut we have to follow. All right, here what is the B plus C here? What is B plus C? Now guys, look at this here. This can be done A vector. We have solved such type of question, guys. A vector lambda times of B cross C we have solved, but here B plus C we are doing. Why? Tell me, that is a different question. This is a different question. Adisha, I think that day you only given this answer.
Sir, which one, sir?
That day you have given the answer for this type of question.
Sir, I didn't get this one, sir, actually. That one was different, actually.
Yes, similar. Bit similar. Okay, no
sir,
problem.
there it was given mutually orthogonal, sir.
We have seen orthogonal type of question, but we have taken the case, something like this. Look at this here. I wrote A vector lambda types of B vector. When can we write this? Aapko 3D, like once you're done with 3D, then only you'll understand this. Okay. I mean, you as of now, you just whenever you get questions, whenever you get this type of questions, you just try to write this type of condition. All right. So now what he has given, why we are writing this? The reason we ask why, because A vector lies in the plane of B and C lies, and this vector lying in B and C vectors plane as well as bisects the angle between B and C. That is what he has given. All right. So A vector is what we given here, alpha times of I 2j bk, alpha times of I plus 2j plus beta k, and lambda times of B plus C. What is the B plus C? I plus 2j plus k. Yeah, I plus 2j plus k. All right. So this is what I get here. Now you just need to, what you have to do here, you just need to divide the magnitude of this. Magnitude of what is the magnitude of this? What is the magnitude of this B plus C? Root 6, right? So divide with the root 6. All right. So what are you going to get now? What are you going to get? Or else here, look at this. I'm saying magnitude, individually magnitude. B plus, what is the B vector given here? B vector given I j k, I cap plus j cap plus j cap plus k cap. All right. What is the magnitude of this? Root 2. What is the magnitude of this? Root 2. Okay. Magnitude of this vector is what? Root 2. Magnitude of this vector is what? Root 2. You just divide with the magnitude, their magnitudes. So what would you get here now? Compare the coefficients on both the sides. You will get to know what exactly the value of that. So I plus j plus k vector, k cap divided by root 2. So now how do you just compare these things? Now look at this here. Alpha I 2j cap bk cap is equal to lambda times of I by root 2 plus lambda times of j cap by root 2 plus lambda times of k cap by root 2. All right. So now here, what is alpha is going to be? Now alpha is going to be lambda by root 2. If I compare, beta, look at here, compare the I and I here, J and K. So K cap and K cap. So what is the alpha is going to be? What is the lambda is going to be? Lambda is going to be root 2 times of alpha. Okay. So now if I compare these pink circles, now what I'm going to get? 2 times of alpha by this. So what is the alpha? Lambda is going to be now? Lambda is going to be what, beta? Lambda is going to be what? 2 times of root 2. Okay. Now you compare these green circles. So beta is equal to alpha lambda by root 2. So lambda is what here? Substitute lambda 2 root 2. It was by root 2. This will get cancelled. What is the beta value? Beta value is 2. So beta value I got 2. Beta value available in this option is not possible. This option is not possible. Either option A or B will be right answer. So now lambda is equal to what? I got lambda value, right? Substitute here for getting beta, I mean alpha value, root 2 alpha. Root 2 will get alpha is equal to root 2, beta is equal to, sorry, alpha is equal to 2, 2. Option A is correct. Any doubts, people?
Sir, why did we take I cap plus j cap plus k cap as I
Sorry?
plus j plus k, sir? The addition should be plus 2j cap. Na?
Oh my god. Here 2j cap. You are right. Then answer will change. Wait. Answer will change. Yes. 2 times of. Yes, guys. Here answer will change. 1 second. 2 lambda by this one. Answer will change. 1 second, guys. Yeah, you're right. So now here compare the things here. What would you get? 2j cap. So what would be the answer now? 2 lambda here. So lambda is going to be what? 2 lambda. So lambda is going to be root 2. Lambda is going to be root 2. Clear? Lambda is going to be root 2, guys. Okay. Lambda is going to be root 2. If lambda is root 2, what is going to be alpha? Root 2 is equal to root 2 alpha. Root 2 will get cancelled. Alpha is equal to 1. Alpha is equal to 1. Then beta also will change. Beta is equal to root 2 by root 2. This will get. Beta is also 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Option D is correct. People, option D is correct. See, small mistake if you make, so the entire answer is becoming wrong. All right, option D is correct. You are right. What is your name? Johan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, option D is correct. Next, I'll give one more question here. Next question. Guys, whenever you get this type of question, guys, orthogonal questions and the question which we have solved right now, you have to solve in a similar way which you have done right now. Okay. Now I'll just give you AIEEE question. What do you mean by AIEEE? How many of you know AIEEE is nothing but? How many of you know AIEEE means? Guys, how many of you know what is AIEEE?
Similar
don't know.
type of
Sorry?
similar type of question.
No, I'm asking AIEEE exam. It is an exam name. What do you mean by that?
Don't know, sir.
AIEEE is nothing but beta. AIEEE is nothing but All India Engineering Entrance Exam, which has been renamed as JEE. Wherever you see the questions called AIEEE, they are JEE questions only. Getting my point? AIEEE is renamed as JEE Mains. This is what 2000 JEE 11 question. Make it fast. Oh, I didn't give the question proper, the full question. Then the value of is equal to dash. Option A 5, option B 3, option D, option C -5, option D -3. This is a homework question to you all. I'll be sharing a worksheet today on this. Guys, if you know this, what do you call that, determinant, how to find determinant, the question whichever I'm going to give you now, that is going to be pretty easy for you all. Let P comma Q comma R be 3 mutually perpendicular vectors of the same magnitude if a vector x satisfies with the vector x satisfies equation called P cross x minus q P plus q cross x minus r cross q plus r cross x minus P cross r, but then x is dash. What the x is going to be? This is also a homework question. I'll share the worksheet where you have to solve 25 questions, something like that, 25 to 30 questions. So that I'll be sharing it in Google Classroom today. Okay, people. So yes, everyone should solve all these questions and come up with your doubts. All right, come up with your doubts. Everyone should solve these questions. These are very, very important questions for your JEE. All right, important concept. You must solve these questions, which helps to you solve, like, very advanced level question. These are basic type of questions only, but nowadays they are giving the questions from previous year papers. Previous year paper, if you are solving, then only will be able to understand the JEE questions which you are going to write in 2023. All right, you have to solve all the questions from 2017, 16 and 2019, 20, 21, whatever. 21 का JEE अभी एग्जाम नहीं हुआ है. After 21 exam papers done, then you can solve that 21 exam paper as well. 2020 vectors question, 2019 vectors question, 2018 JEE vector question, 2015 से सब सॉल्व करना है, 2014-15 से, ठीक है. 2014-15 से लेकर पूरा JEE questions you must solve it. I'll share couple of previous year JEE questions as a worksheet today. Everyone do solve that and submit to me before on or before deadline. All right. So need not to solve every question.